In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns and add rows in Google Slides. This simple guide will help you enhance your presentations by seamlessly incorporating data from other sources, such as Excel spreadsheets, making your slides both informative and visually appealing. Whether you are preparing a business report, a classroom presentation, or any type of data-driven deck, knowing how to integrate rows and columns efficiently will save you time and elevate the professionalism of your slides. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to log in. Signing in is important because it allows you to access your presentations from anywhere, save your work automatically to Google Drive, and make edits on the go. Once signed in, you'll be on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can start a blank presentation or choose from a wide variety of templates depending on what suits your needs. Templates can give you a polished layout instantly, while a blank presentation allows full customization. Once your presentation is open, let's focus on adding spreadsheet data. If you have an Excel file with data you want to include, open it and select the rows or columns you need, then copy them. Return to your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where you want the data to appear. You have several options for inserting data, but linking it directly ensures that any updates in the spreadsheet automatically reflect in your slides. To do this, click on the area where you want the data, then choose the option to link to the spreadsheet. Paste the copied data and it will appear on your slide. The advantage of linking spreadsheet data is that your slides stay updated in real time. Any changes made in your original Excel file will automatically reflect in your Google Slides presentation, which is perfect for live reports or presentations that require current data. Be sure to check the linkage before presenting to confirm that everything is working correctly. This helps maintain accuracy and prevent errors during important presentations. By following these steps, you can easily add columns and rows to your slides while keeping your data connected to the source file. With practice, you'll be able to integrate complex datasets smoothly, making your slides informative, visually structured, and professional. Mastering this technique ensures your presentations are both engaging and accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.